All right, today we're going to bring a motion sensor floodlight, and this is perfect if you're going to put this outdoors, anywhere in the path, and it's electrical. We're going to go over the electrical cable first. We're going to review a couple things on the actual wiring. You got your neutral, which is the white, the hot, which is black, and of course your ground, which is green. Very simple to follow the instructions. Now, this one actually rotates in any direction you want, and motion sensor, like I said, it has that sensor in the bottom. We're going to review a little bit more in the back of it. All right, let's take a look at the actual light itself. And if you guys can see, everything rotates different directions. All right, so if you want to face a certain area, you could, maybe your dark areas. You have to actually loosen it up, the actual neck, so it could go up and down, but you could rotate it pretty much any degree you want in any direction. Now let's take a look at the back end of the sensor. All right, in the back end of the sensor, you got your distance, all right, high to low, and then you got to night to day mode automatically, and then you got your timer, right? But first of all, you could test it out, but right now we're going to leave it at 1 minute, 3 minute, up to 19 minutes. All right, so this is in case people are walking by testing it out. You know, walk by, it turns on for a minute, it's going to shut off in a minute. So you want to save energy with the LED lights. It's a perfect way to do it. But not only that, a smart way to automatically turn them off. So we're going to set them up. We're going to set them up in this direction right here. We'll put it in that corner there so we can light up this whole area here. And we're going to test it out, how sensitive the sensor is. So let's come back at night and see how it looks. All right, let's go check out the security light. So when you walk into it, into the light, into the zone, it's gonna turn on automatically. So here it is, pretty much the light. It's very powerful, shining the whole area, entire backyard here. And any movement, like dog or myself, there's gonna be a lot of light. Look at this, completely cover any area that you want in your backyard. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.